Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about one best tool for the DevOps and another very popular tool. Yes, I'm talking about GitLab versus GitHub. Here I have clear comparison between these two tools. Yes, we are going to talk about GitLab throughout our course because it is best for DevOps. But you must have idea about the GitHub as well. So let's discuss about this. I have 10 mind map points. The first is ownership and background. If we talk about GitLab, it is independent company and not owned by any large tech giant. GitHub is really popular. Why? One of the reason is it's acquired by Microsoft. Okay. So GitHub is actually Microsoft company. Second is overall approach and services. GitLab offer full package for DevOps. Right from coding to deploying, it's like one-stop shop. And this is my best deciding factor to go with GitLab instead of GitHub. Started as a code hosting platform, but now includes more DevOps features. It's evolving, but started with a focus on the code management, right? While GitLab having a built-in DevOps features. CI/CD integration, built-in and core feature integrated tightly with the rest of the GitLab tool. Provide GitHub action for CI/CD. It's a newer edition but growing fast. User interface and experience. GitLab comprehensive but can feel a bit overwhelming initially. Little bit complex user interface we have in the GitLab. If we talk about GitHub, known for its clear and user-friendly interface, easy for beginners. Project management and issue tracking. GitLab, more advanced tool for project management. GitHub provide basic project management feature, integrate well with other tools. Community and ecosystem. GitLab, smaller community but still has a good range of the resources. If we talk about GitHub, larger community, beneficial for open source project and finding resources or templates. Here we have age for the GitHub. Security features. GitLab, strong inbuilt security scanning tools. GitHub, good security features with some available through the marketplace integration. You can integrate with a third party and then you can use this. Here we have inbuilt security features. Self-hosting option in the GitLab, more commonly used for the self-hosting, means you can host your own server. Offers GitHub Enterprise for self-hosting, but GitLab generally more favored in this particular area.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.